welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a cleaning and decluttering and reorganizing vlog. My room and apartment is so messy and so cluttered. This is very overdue. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I hate being in a messy space. It just makes me feel very unmotivated and unproductive. When my space is cluttered, it kind of makes my mind cluttered as well, because all I can focus on is the mess instead of like what I actually need to get done. I've actually been in a little bit of a slump lately, so I'm hoping by cleaning I can kind of get out of that. I just have so much clutter everywhere. It's like every single drawer that I open, there's just clutter, and my closet especially is just so stuffed. So with Christmas and the new year approaching, I just kind of want to clean all of it out now. I was actually listening to the What We Said podcast somewhat recently. It was probably like almost a month ago now, and they had a whole episode called like clean your life, clean out your life, but they're basically talking about getting organized for the fall season. And Chelsea was talking about how she was doing the Marie Kondo method on her entire house, and it really motivated me to do this. So I'm hoping I can kind of keep the motivation up, and if I'm feeling unmotivated, I'm just gonna listen to that, because it really motivated me to clean and declutter and really just get rid of things that I'm not using. My plan is to just kind of start with my weekly reset routine. Every single weekend, like Saturday mornings, I will do kind of like a little weekly reset where I kind of just dust and clean and vacuum, pick up anything that's kind of laying out from the week before. I've kind of been a little bit bad about doing that the last couple weeks, so I feel like it's kind of gotten a little bit out of control. I'm going to start with my weekly reset routine, just get everything kind of clean and picked up, and then I'm going to move on to my closet, and then kind of move on to all of the random drawers, just kind of go drawer by drawer, just anywhere where I feel like it's kind of cluttered and needs decluttering and reorganizing. So that is the plan. Let's just get started. I really hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos, and if you'd like to see more on my channel, comment below your best cleaning tip, and definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26, and let's just get into the cleaning. My room and my apartment is looking so much cleaner. I thought I would do the weekly reset and cleaning today, and then all the organizing and decluttering tomorrow. I kind of got a late start today. I didn't start this till like later in the afternoon. I am gonna make some dinner really quick. I actually got a Hellofresh package today. I love Hellofresh. They're actually sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much to Hellofresh for sponsoring. This time I picked the quick and easy meals because I'm all about that convenience, and I got some really good meals. If you guys have not tried Hellofresh, you definitely should. It is so good, so convenient, affordable, literally the best thing ever. I do have a discount code, so I'm gonna have that linked below at the very top of my description. With Hellofresh, you get fresh, pre-portioned ingredients delivered right to your door. It makes cooking at home easy, fun, and delicious, and affordable. You can enjoy fall's freshest flavors. Every HelloFresh recipe includes ripe, just picked produce that travels from the farm to your door in less than a week. If you're super busy this fall, HelloFresh has meals covered with a weekly selection of 30 plus recipes, 70 plus convenience items, all delivered to your door. Getting back into the fall season can be busy, but weeknights can be made so much easier with foolproof step-by-step recipes ready in around 30 minutes or less. HelloFresh isn't just for dinners. You can shop HelloFresh Market for quick breakfast, wholesome snacks, and even desserts. You'll find everything to satisfy your cravings without stepping foot in a grocery store. One thing I love is that HelloFresh works with your schedule. Plans are flexible and you can change your meal preferences, update your delivery day, and even change your address with just a few taps on the HelloFresh app. One of my personal favorite recipes is the one-pan fajita lettuce wraps from HelloFresh. They are so good and also so easy. HelloFresh offers veggie, pescatarian, and fit and wholesome meals to make it easy to stick to your goals. HelloFresh is the first carbon neutral meal kit company, and nearly all the packaging is recyclable. One of my favorite things is that you get just the right amount of food, so HelloFresh cuts down on your food waste by at least 25% compared to grocery shopping. I hate throwing out food when I buy something specific for a recipe and then I never use it again. I love that I don't have to worry about that with HelloFresh. It really saves time on planning and prepping and grocery shopping. I actually do have a discount code, so if you want to check it out for yourself, go to hellofresh.com and use code EmilyGrace65 for 65% off plus free shipping. Again, go to hellofresh.com and use code EmilyGrace65 for 65% off plus free shipping. It is the next day. I'm going to be getting into the decluttering and organizing today, really focusing on my closet and the drawers throughout my room. I have this IKEA Alex 9 drawer dresser. It has a lot of makeup and skincare, just all kinds of stuff. I kind of decluttered and organized it in my last cleaning video, but I kind of want to go through it again because I feel like I kept some makeup that I'm not really using. I want to be like really critical of what I decide to keep and really just keep the things that I truly use and really see myself using. My hair, I kind of just let it dry natural and then just put a few random curls in it, and I feel like it just looks really like fluffy today. Anyways, I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna go through my bathroom drawers. I have like one drawer in particular that has a lot of skincare in it. Mainly I just want to get rid of things that I'm not using and clear up some space. So let's just get into it. It is quite a bit later. It's actually already starting to get dark outside. I kind of just organized some of the drawers in my room. They weren't as messy as I thought. I did get rid of a whole bag of makeup and skincare, and I kind of organized the drawers a little bit. I also got rid of a lot of sunglasses and just kind of cleaned up my bathroom drawer a little bit. I think I'm just gonna finish up my closet tomorrow. I think my closet is actually gonna take me a long time, so I think I'm just gonna do that tomorrow when the lighting is a little bit better. It is now time for the closet clean out portion of this video. I feel like my closet is just so full, so stuffed, so cluttered, so I'm hoping to get rid of a lot of clothes. So I'm gonna start off with everything that's actually hanging in my closet, and then I will move on to the drawers. Dresser behind me, I have like some pajamas, some sweatpants, and then my jeans. If you guys watch my hauls, you know I'm obsessed. I buy too many jeans. And then I have a bunch of sweatshirts under my bed. I have a bunch of bags under my bed. I have so many clothes. I do a lot of hauls and I work with a lot of clothing brands. That's like mainly what my channel is about, fashion. So I just have a lot of clothes. So I'm gonna try to really get rid of anything. Like if I have not worn it last year, or if it's really just not my style anymore. Those are kind of like all the different things that I'm going through. Let's just get started.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the captain. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
Little update, I'm making some progress. I'm getting rid of all of this and all of this. I just went through and tried all of these bottoms on. Some of them don't fit or I just don't like the style anymore. So a lot of like jeans and shorts. These are all like sweatpants that I kind of had like in storage. So I'm just gonna switch them out with some of my lounge shorts and kind of reorganize my dresser for the winter. I just kind of keep this little bucket in the back of my coat closet and just kind of switch out some stuff based on the seasons to help it better fit in my dresser. It's actually really nice out today. It's actually pretty warm, but it's been pretty cold. So I figured while I'm reorganizing everything, now would be a good time to switch all of that out. So I'm just gonna kind of reorganize my dresser, take out some of the denim shorts and sweat shorts, and then just make a whole drawer for all of the sweatpants. These are all sweatpants that I have got recently or worn recently that just are not fitting in my dresser. So I'm gonna try to make space for them. And then I also have like these little PJ shorts. I have a lot of sweatpants and they are not fitting very good. I do need to get rid of some sweatpants because I have so many. So that's kind of what I'm working on currently. Here's everything that I'm getting rid of, so quite a bit actually. It's kind of a mix of summer and winter. I feel like I did a pretty good job decluttering because it's actually a lot of clothes. Some of it will be on my Poshmark, the things that I purchased from like American Eagle and Brandy Melville. Some of it I will be donating. Definitely check out my Poshmark, Emily Grace 266. I'll have it linked below if you guys want to shop any of the pieces that I'll have listed. I think that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. My room and apartment in general is a lot cleaner than when I started. I'm really glad I took the time to do this. I definitely recommend if you have a little bit of extra time or even just kind of doing it in small sections like I did. Comment below your best cleaning tip. Also make sure to check out Hellofresh. I'll have my discount here on the screen and also links below at the very top of my description. Definitely make sure to check it out. I love Hellofresh. Their food is so good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.